Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. Or actually a blue light filter, because this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. And all we have to do in order to first of all customize it is to unroll the top bar. We have to unroll it. Hello. We have to unroll it fully in order to find proper icon. It is right here, the blue light filter. So let's tap on it and hold it, and then we will be transferred to a proper section where we can actually customize it. And basically here we've got the color temperature, and by going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right we can make it warmer. It is the color temperature which is connected with our device with kind of a regular mode, so you can change it right here, but also you can simply tap on the blue light filter. Right now it is on the coolest setting, but after going to the right with the switcher you can make it actually warmer. So it's of course up to you which set you prefer. I will leave it on the highest setting, and you can actually see that the screen is a little bit yellowish right now. It is of course in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So in order to turn it on really quickly, simply find this icon and just tap on it to turn it off right now, and tap on it to turn it on. Of course it will apply the settings we just set. Yeah. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.